Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at the all new 2024 MacBook Air. You can end up getting this one in the 13 or 15 inch. I decided to go with the 13. I was testing the 15 inch one, it just felt a bit too big. What I want to use this one is on the go, so the smaller the better. You can also end up getting this one in silver, starlight, space gray, and midnight. I decided to go with the original silver. For me, they do look the best. All right, next let's open it and see what comes inside and of course how this MacBook looks. I haven't had a new MacBook in many years. The last one I ended up getting was the Mac Mini. And here we go with the MacBook. Let's put it on the side just for now, just to check what else comes inside. Right on top, we do have the cable. What I have here is the USB-C to MagSafe 3. Really nice quality cable. And let's see what else we have. So we have a little bit of paperwork. And let's take all this out. So we have the MacBook here. This is kind of like a quick start guide. And then we also have a little bit more, and we also do have the stickers, which is really nice. And I believe that's it. And that will be all. Honestly, I thought there was another booklet, but this isn't anything. Why did it make this size so thick? Sometimes I wonder. But it also does come with the power adapter. Now, if you do end up getting this directly from the Apple, you can end up customizing it. So you can go with the 30 watts and also you can go with the 35 watts dual USB-C. And also it does have, I believe, 70 watts. I just decided to go with the regular one, which is 30 watts. Should be enough. So let's put these two things on the side because we'll end up using them, of course. All right, next, let's check the MacBook. Let's peel this off. Absolutely love this silver color. Wow, look how beautiful this silver color is. Absolutely love the design of this. Now on this side we have that MagSafe charger, and then we have two Thunderbolt 4 USB-Cs, and then on this side we have the headphone jack. I wish they would include another USB-C, but having two of them is definitely a lot better than having one like on some of those older generations. Next, let's open it. And of course, I'll end up setting this up and then I'll be back. All right, so I just finished setting it up and also ended up using it for a little bit just to get the first impression of the trackpad and keyboard, and absolutely love both of those. Now let's talk about the performance and hardware just a little bit. It comes with the M3 CPU, which has 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 16-core neural engine. It is a very powerful chip. I do have the previous generation, the M2 chip on my Mac Mini, and with that one I can end up editing 4K videos, I can multitask, I can have so many different browser tabs open, and that computer doesn't even get remotely hot. I mean, I can put my hand on it, it never even gets warm. So that one is very powerful, but this one, M3, will be even more powerful than that. When it comes to the RAM, you can end up getting it with 8, 16, or 24. The RAM can be upgraded later, so make sure you know what you're getting before you end up getting it. I decided to go with the 16 gigabytes of RAM just because I do end up doing quite a lot of recording. If I wasn't doing that, I would probably go with 8 gigabytes of RAM because most of my daily use is just browsing web, maybe a little bit of YouTube, but it's usually 80% of just browsing web pages. And for that, 8 gigabyte of RAM is plenty. If you do plan on editing, if you do plan on gaming, then I would definitely recommend going with the 16 gigabytes of RAM. When it comes to the storage, it starts with 256, then 512, 1 terabyte, or the 2 terabyte option. My recommendation, get what you need, not what you want. What I mean by that, if you're just going to use this for browsing, for YouTube, listening to music, maybe watching some Netflix and stuff like that, 256 should be enough. But if you plan on storing a lot of videos and stuff like that on this, then I definitely recommend getting some high storage. When it comes to display, this is 13.6-inch LED display with IPS technology. They call it liquid retina display. It also has 500 nits of brightness, 224 pixels per inch. My first impression of the display is very positive. I love the colors, also love the brightness, and also love the size. I think this is perfect size. Around 13 inches is definitely a perfect size for laptop that you plan on putting in your backpack, taking to school, taking to Starbucks, wherever you're gonna have it. When it comes to battery, they're saying up to 18 hours of usage. Of course, I haven't tested that since I literally just unboxed it, but I've been using it for maybe an hour right now, and it was at 90% when I did unbox it and got it on the main screen. So right now it's 89%, so that's pretty good news. I mean, especially since I've been using it for close to an hour. So overall, if I can get around 18 hours, that would be very impressive. So that was my unboxing of the all new 2024 MacBook Air. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.